Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. It's your girl again, Ruthie, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made this beanie and bangs. Yes guys, it's a wig and it's something simple. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you all in the video. So today guys, I'll be using the Milkway 100% human hair, and it's a synthetic hair but it's cute. My beanie, my thread, my needle, and my tape. Basically the tape is to measure out the length and the width of my forehead, and it's basically for beginners. So guys, this is how the hair looks like. Oh god, this hair is nice guys, this is nice. The good synthetic hair I've actually touched before. It's pretty okay. So guys, I'm going in now to wear the beanie, and I just wanted to make sure I know where the front is and the back is and all that. So I'm gonna be measuring my forehead as I'm using my eyebrows right now to mark out where I want my bangs to be at. So I used my foundation. You can use anything, your marker, whatever that has the brighter color, and that's why I'm using black here guys, so you guys will be able to see it very well. So I'm using a marker, my foundation rather, to do the markings. Guys, don't mind my head, you know, I'm bald. Yes, but that's it. Like you can see, that's the mark out, and yeah, that's good to go. So guys, as you can see, I'm using my wall pin or bobby pin or whatever pin you have. I'm using it to pin down my beanie on my mannequin head. And today's tutorial, I'm going to be sewing this hair round the beanie. Okay, there's no half cuts, there's no center part, there's nothing. The marks I gave was to determine where my bangs are going to actually stop or start from. Okay, so guys, today I decided to use a sewing. I don't want to use any bonds or whatever. I just wanted a clean job though. That's why I basically used the needle and thread. I just wasn't in the mood for the whole smell of bonds and glues and, you know, trying to clean up or trying not to do this or trying not to let it fall down. Anyways guys, let me know about you, my so much stories. So guys, as you can see, I am going in with the sewing. Like I'm sewing it round like I told you before, so that I'll be able to like get my bangs neatly and well styled. Okay, that's why I'm sewing it round. And guys, I am basically not a fan of hair, like full hair. Yes, I don't like full hair, but I don't know if you want yours to be fuller than mine. As you saw at the beginning, that I had a packet, right, of two tracks. Yes, I had two tracks, but I'm actually going to use one part of that tracks. Okay, so that's it, because I don't like full hair and I'm not really a fan of doing all so much hair. But that doesn't stop you from doing your own hair or what you like. You can make it as full as you want. Okay, you can add like 4 tracks, but make sure it's not really obvious, like you sewed something, or you know, you start having bumps or those gallops on your head. I don't know if it's gallop or I don't know, but I know you guys know what I'm saying, right? So when you want to do it, if you want it to be full, just make sure you calculate very well and you do it perfectly. But as for me, I'm so okay with this one track, and that's what you're going to see right now. So in this part, you're seeing, after I did the hair round, I made it all around. That part was empty, so I had to fix in one extra piece. Like I had to cut from the other tracks I had left, and then I used it to attach to this place because this particular side was looking all scanty and I needed to like cover it up. So if you have something like a patch or something, you could do it like this if you want yours to be full, or if you get round enough and your part, or there's a part that wasn't fully placed, you could just do that and add another one or a piece to just make it complete. So guys, this is how it looks like after I was done with all what I wanted, because this is basically what I wanted. And you can wear it like this or like this. Now let's see how we're gonna make the bangs. Don't go anywhere. So guys, like I told you before, the tape is used to measure the width of your forehead and the length of your bangs, how you want it to be. I actually used the second inch, like I used 2 inches for the bang, the length of the bang, and I started from the 5th length so that I don't like just chop in and then chop in wrongly. You understand me, right? That's why I started from the bottom, so I don't end up ruin the whole bangs. That's why I started down. And yeah guys, that's it. That's all you have to just do. Just be careful so you don't end up ruining the bangs and like having to start all over again, or start thinking of how to do it, where to do it, where to start from all over again. Yeah, and that was what happened though. I did it, and yeah, that's it. So guys, this is actually the funniest part of the video. So I was so carried away by, oh, I love this hair, I'm loving this hair, I'm loving the outcome, and I ended up going in with the flat iron at the wrong place. Like I was like using the flat iron to do the bangs on the wrong side of the wig, of the cap. Oh my goodness, I just can't imagine. I'm sure some of you are saying, oh no, it's the back. Anyways, this was when I realized it was the wrong part, and then I had to take it off and start all over again. But yeah guys, that's it though. Like, this is the result. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give this video a big thumbs up. Keep watching though, it's not done. So guys, I basically love this style with the hair. Like, I'm not really a bang person though. Like me and fringe, oh my goodness, I don't know, but I feel more comfortable when I'm not obstructing my eyes or my forehead and stuff like that. But babes, I know if you do it, it's gonna look good on you, or even better on you though. So let me know which I should wear more or rock more, or let me know which was your favorite though. Anyone you feel is nice on you or me, I don't know, just let me know in the comment section down below. I love you all. Stay safe and stay blessed. So guys, if you love this video and you got something to learn, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and don't forget to comment. I love you all. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.